Hey everyone, I'm WYGO Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you're curious what came in the Eyescream Beauty box in the month of October 2022, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I'm super excited. This is a newer subscription box to me, and 95% of the time it's all makeup. If anyone isn't aware, this is a beauty subscription which costs $25 a month, and you get at least 5 full-size products. As I mentioned earlier, almost all of the products will be a makeup, and the box only costs $25, flat fee. There are no extra shipping or handling fees that they tack on. It's $25. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive into the box and see what we got. All right, there is a little card that comes in the box. It only has the prices and the name of the product. There's no additional product information. They also put in a little bit of these like peanuts, which are biodegradable. All right, what do we have here? This is something from the Beauty Crop. Let me take it out because the writing is very tiny. This here is CoCo Glow Illuminating Drops. So I presume that means it's a liquid highlighter. It does come with saran wrap, so let me get that open. Comes with a dropper. Let's do a swatch. All right, there's the product right there. Ooh, it feels kind of oily, but let's see if it dries down or if it remains kind of tacky or greasy feeling. But that would be lovely. I don't know if it's intended, but to put on your skin underneath your foundation. All right, what does that retail for? Okay, so this retails for $19, and on the card, it did give some information. It says to mix a small amount with foundation. All right, so maybe, yeah, it still feels a little oily, but I'm gonna have to give that a try, although I'm curious, will it work in a water-based foundation, a silicone-based, oil-based? I'm gonna have to read up on what the ingredients are. Sometimes silicone products can feel oily, but it's silicone, so anyways. All right, next item. All right, so we got a tool of some sort. Let me take it out of the plastic so you don't have to listen to the crinkling. All right, so here's the brush. Comes with a cover. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, so it's very soft and dense. Presume this is some kind of foundation brush. Now the handle is flimsy, or maybe that's intentional to be flexible. I don't know. I feel like it could snap if you press too hard. Let's see what they say about this product. All right, so this is from Paris Tools, and it is a foundation brush, which retails, holy cow, $30? I'm not familiar with that brand. I personally would not pay $30. But hey, I got a $30 foundation brush inside of a $25 box, so I can't complain. All right, what else came in this box? What is this? Interesting shaped box. It says black. I thought it was going to be like a lip gloss, but I don't know. This is from Mirabella, and it is called a Blackmail Eye Crayon. Oh, okay. Interesting. Usually crayons are longer or taller. Ooh, okay, so it's a stubby one. Let's see. Oh, yes. Okay, it's reminding me of how fat and chunky those, what are they, from NYX? Let me switch hands because I still got that oily stuff and do a little swatch over here. All right, so considering how fat it was, it did a pretty decent line. I'm curious how this would fare in the waterline, and it just so happens I didn't really put anything in my waterline today. Shall we gamble and see if it works well, or if the rest of the video I look like a raccoon? Why not? The trouble with the size of something like this is it's hard to get in the top waterline because it wants to get on the bottom waterline at the same time. I think I may need to warm this up. I don't know. It's either dried out or user error, or it's not intended for the waterline. That's probably the case. But hey, I personally always wear black around my eyes, so I'm not mad at this product. All right, what does that retail for? Holy cow, $20. All right, next item. All right, we have a 3-pack of something. Are you lip products? This is from Cherrie, and it's Nourishing Lipstick. Set of 3 lipsticks. They all seem to be the exact same color. Am I crazy? Hold on. Let me see if their card gives more information. All right, so this is also from the Beauty Crop, Cherrie Lip Trio. It retails for $24. I'm trying to figure out, is the packaging just the same or is it literally the same color for all 3? It's enriched with cherry extract and jojoba oil, has no parabens or mineral oil, certified cruelty-free and vegan. I love when they tell you how to use a product like that. Apply directly to lips, starting from the middle and moving towards the corners. Thank you, Beauty Crop. I would have no idea how to apply a lip product. Only one way to find out. Let me open these up. If the color is too dark, I won't swatch it. Just know I did open it just to look. But it seems like, I don't know. I'm going to stop speculating. Let's take a look here. Okay. So, I don't know what we'll pick up on camera if I can not get the glare. So, they are 3 different shades. This one here is very red and not something I'm going to use. So, I'm going to set that aside. These other 2 look promising, but you never know. All right, so this one is a dark nude, brown, not usually something I reach for, but this one here, and by the way, they have little hearts in the center. I'm going to swatch this one. All right, yes, that is a shade I will wear and enjoy. So let's see how good the formula is. I already had 2 layers of lip gloss, so I think it's nice. The shade is decent. It just doesn't maybe necessarily go with my eye look. Speaking of my eye look, today's fall eye look is brought to you by Natasha Denona, the Zendo palette. If anyone isn't familiar with what that palette looks like, let me show you the color story. So we have greens, but of course for fall I use these orange, this one, a brown, some of these shimmers. Gorgeous and applied beautifully. All right, back to our regular programming. All right, and the last item is the palette. By the way, I don't know that I mentioned you will receive a palette in every single box. All right, this month's palette is from Dido, and it's the Hera palette, which is giving me superhero vibes / she almost looks Egyptian. And the necklace is kind of Egyptian. All right, enough rambling about the packaging. Let's take a look at the color story. Oh, interesting. The sleeve wasn't color. It's plastic and was taped on both sides. So this is actually what the cardboard looks like. Okay, it does come with a mirror. Whoa. All right, so this is quite adventurous for me. Lots of neon, yellows, blues, beautiful turquoise, some salmony orange. All right, let me ponder. I'm not going to do any swatches because this will probably be in a giveaway. I don't want to swatch something and never use it or use it once. I'd rather gift it to someone who will get some use and joy out of it. By the way, this palette retails for $30. All right, that is the final product. Let's recap everything that came in the October 2022 Eyescream Beauty box. We got some liquid glow drops from the Beauty Crop. Also from the Beauty Crop, we got a set of 3 lipsticks. We got a black eye crayon from Mirabella, a foundation brush from Paris Tools, and the Hera palette from Dido. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, honestly, of the 3 boxes I've received thus far, this one is the least exciting to me, mainly because this color story isn't my jam. I always figure that the palette is the main item, and if I love the palette, the rest of the items are like bonus. But since this one, not so much, I am interested in giving this foundation brush a try. What is nice about the lipstick trio is now I have 2 I can set aside for a giveaway. I'm super curious how the glowy illuminating drops are gonna work putting it in foundation. Let's see if this dried down. Yeah, I can still feel a little something, but it's not super greasy like it was before. At first I thought this was like liquid highlighter, but I can see this being more as a glowy primer, or like they said, to mix within foundation. This eyeliner, I really want to see if it can work. I would prefer to use this before I've applied all my makeup, so if I mess up, I can clean up in aisle 9, but I'm not mad at this product. So I'd say overall, decent box. If you are really into adventurous color stories, I bet you would love this box. But now I want to hear your thoughts. I'm going to list the MSRP total value of the box. I'm super curious what you all think of this box. Do you think this is worth $25? Have you been eyeing this box? Considering subscribing? You do get mostly makeup. However, the brands aren't, I don't know, Tarte, Natasha Denona. They tend to be indie brands, which is awesome. Or I noticed we get a lot of Beauty Crop, which I believe is a Korean brand. Don't quote me on that. But overall, I think it's definitely worth $25. Let me know if you agree. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. And remember to click that bell icon. Lately, I swear YouTube is not sending out notifications. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.